Hello, welcome back to our tutorial. If you missed our last tutorial, get to watch our video on how to add stock conversion units in the system. On this video, we get to learn how to add reorder levels in the system. Reorder level is the inventory point at which a company would place a new order. UZAPOINT gives you meaningful insight to your inventory stock levels by keeping track on the stock transactions. These are the events that cause a reduction or an increase in stock. With defined stock reorder levels, the system can be able to send alerts when the minimum quantity is hit. This prompts a reorder of the item. To add a new reorder level, go to Products and click on Classification. Click on the Reorder Levels tab, then click the Add Reorder Level button. Select the product of your choice. For instance, I will select Fanta Orange. Select the product storage area. My Fanta Orange is in my drink store. Under the reorder level, type in the minimum amount the item can be held in stock, and on the reorder quantity, type in the amount of items to be ordered when the minimum level hits. For example, the lowest quantity a business X should register for Fanta Orange is 1 crate. This means that the quantity of Fanta Orange should always be above 1 crate. The highest quantity that same business can have is 3 crates of the same Fanta Orange. The minimum amount in this case will be 1 crate, and the reorder quantity would therefore be the difference between the maximum and the minimum quantity. Therefore, when the stock level of Fanta Orange hits 1 crate, the company should reorder 2 more crates. Click on Add Reorder Level. Note that you can add in multiple products to define their reorder levels before clicking on the Save button. I will proceed to add a few items. When you're done keying in your product's reorder levels, click the Save button. Your reorder levels will be saved successfully. To make sure you get a reorder alert, you need to define the user to be notified. To do that, go to Settings and click on Reports. And on the page you're redirected to, configure the notifiable users. Select Reorder Levels Alert as a notification and click on the Set Notifiable Users button. Here, all your users will be displayed. Choose the user that should be notified in case of a reorder level alert. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and next, we get to learn how to make a purchase order.